water heater won't stay lit. And here's why. This has been slowly leaking. You can see it right here. About 1 drop every 30 seconds, but it's been doing it for years because I'm not sure if the camera, yeah, picks it up. So this whole burner chamber right here is filled with water to about right here, just because of this slow little drip. It's pretty crazy. So I'm gonna drill holes in the bottom of this to let all the water drain out, and then I'm gonna replace this with this, and then we'll hope that the water heater will relight, which I think it will, because I've experienced this before. When water gets into the burner chamber, you just got to get it out of there, and then typically it will relight, but maybe not this one because it's a Rheem piece of junk. Yikes. Water's draining out now. Got 2 holes here, 2 holes here. The water is definitely going down. I thought about using a shop vac, but I mean, I don't know how I would get the head of it in there. All right, I'm gonna do this live. Oh boy, there we go. Okay, that should be good. There's the old leaky one. Water's back on. All the water is out down here. So now, let's try to relight this. And it worked. It actually worked. Nice. All right, on to the next.